How to add 8-inch semi-pneumatic wheels to your dual fuel Champion generator. I have listed the motor arbors here for purchase, but they're going to be 1/2-inch female by 1/2-inch male motor arbors, and they're going to have 1 3/4 inch long threads to mount your axles of your wheels. They can be longer than 1 3/4 inches, but they cannot be shorter. Additionally, you'll purchase nylon locking nuts to secure your wheels. Be sure to order a pair of these AS-AFS 1/2-inch motor arbor to 1/2-inch threaded shaft adapter. These are the wheels that I had the most success with. They were not so wide as to rub against the plastic of our generators. Notice the washer sitting on top of the retaining clip removal tool. That nylon washer, or even a little nut that you have in your garage, will be stuffed into the motor arbors to ensure that your wheels stay away from the plastic frame. Here we are looking good with tread and not scraping the generator plastic. I was concerned that by raising the back end up, propane would not flow and I would have to level the front end. And it turns out it runs just fine with a slight angle. One huge benefit is that I can lift the front end of my generator much higher by the handle when rolling it around. And being 6'4", I really appreciate this. Okay guys, today I'm going over replacing the stock 5.5 inch by 1/4 inch generator wheels with an 8-inch by 1.75 inch wheel that has a built-in bearing with some tread to go over the gravel that I have and the grass. This has a built-in bearing, which is important. It's also slightly offset. That offset helps get the tread away from the plastic of our generators. A couple important pieces. You'll need a retaining clip tool to remove the retaining clip off of our generator. And then you'll need to purchase 1/2-inch female by 1/2-inch male thread motor arbors. These are 1.5 inches long. They can be longer, 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. You're going to replace the stock nut on the motor arbor with nylox. Very important that you do the nylox. And the other thing is, because the concern about rubbing the tread against the plastic frame of our generator, what I'm doing is adding a nut inside here. You could also add a plastic washer, I suppose, but something to get you a little bit further away from the generator. In this case here, just threading it through. Gonna tighten the nylox nut, not to crush the bearing, but just enough so that it rolls nice and smooth. I'm also going to be adding some thread locker or Loctite to the Allen bolts before I secure it to my generator. I think I have about $40 so far. I was not able to find a fully pneumatic wheel that could stay away from the plastic frame. And so I settled on this 8" by 1.75. They call this a semi-pneumatic tire. I'm going to provide photos also of the additional materials to purchase. Hey, thank you for watching my short video. Please subscribe and hit that like button for additional content. Thank you.